give you, I give you, I give you life only. I give you, I give. Hey guys, Figure here, and guess what? I'm doing a giveaway, so yay! So, as I was looking through my pile of fabric, I found this pink fabric that I got from a customer. A couple months ago, she wanted to make a dress, and she bought the fabric and everything, but it wasn't going to work for that specific style. So now it's just like, you know what? This would look so great if I make that green dress that I have for Christmas and just made it with this fabric. So that's what I decided to do. And as I was making it, I was just like, I don't really like glittery stuff. I mean, I do, but I really don't. So I was just like, you know what? I could create a giveaway from it. Obviously, I already made the dress, so it has to be like someone around my size. So to everybody else who are not my size, I do apologize in advance, but I promise in the future I will make something like that for January. If everything works out in the future, I'll be able to create a customizable dress for anyone to win. So for this video, the specific of this video would be just getting the information on how to enter the contest. I will put a link of the dress right here or a picture of the dress right here just to let you guys know how it looks. It's really cute. I really love it. It's really chic. The giveaway will start tomorrow, February 1st. And it's going to end on February 7th. So, I'm going to say 7th or 8th, or February 7th or 8th. So, of course, Valentine is coming. So, that's why I want to make the end date on the 8th or the 7th. My birthday's on the 9th, so I don't want to do it on that day. And I want to be able to mail it out before the 9th. That way you're able to get it before Valentine's Day. You can have a new dress for Valentine. Even if you don't have a Valentine, you can have a new dress for like a Galentine's Day or stuff like that. So, giveaway rules. Well, before we get to the rules, let me tell you guys the specific of the dress. The dress is roughly a size medium. So my size, I wear a medium in Shein. I wear a medium in Pretty Little Thing. And I wear a medium in Fashion Nova as well. So that gives you a roughly idea of how the dress will fit. I would say for the bust would be about 30 to 34 inches. It'll fit perfectly. Maybe a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit smaller, but it all depends on how you want it to fit. Also, if you do win the dress and if you feel like it's too big, you can also get alteration. If it's too small, I apologize. You will either need extra fabric to get alteration or stuff like that, but I feel like it'll be perfect. The waist will be around 26 to 32 inches. Of course, for 32 inches, it will be really snug, which I really feel like it would be perfect for the dress. While for 26 inches, it will be a little bit loose, but I feel like it should be perfect as well. It just gives a different kind of vibes or anything. As for the hips, I would say about 40 inches to about 44 inches. Just because I know everybody's hips is a little bit bigger, I would say if you're a little bit smaller on the top, this dress would be perfect for you. Okay, let's get to how to enter the contest. I know. Of course, the first step will have to be watch this video. And this will let you know the other steps. The second steps would be to like this post on Instagram. So the post including the post for the contest on Instagram by Fega page. You have to be following by Fega at by Fega on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. Tag 3 friends in a comment. I know it's kind of a lot. And then subscribe to the mailing list on the website. When you subscribe, it lets you know when I add new items to the website and just give you an update on how everything is going. I promise I will not be sending you emails like every week. It's gonna be like once a month or something like that. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for entering this contest. Thank you for supporting me. I will be posting the winner on the 8th on Instagram on this page. And then on the 9th, I will be mailing out, not on the 9th, the same day I'll be mailing out the dress, as long as you send me the information on time. Anyways, thank you so much. I know this was a short video. I wasn't really planning on making it long. This is just for the contest. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more giveaways. Yay! Bye!